Galveston Police Department is issuing an apology about the way a black man was led down the street by officers. You can see it in this photo here. The officers on horseback had the man handcuffed. Then an officer attached a rope to his handcuffs. The 43-year-old was arrested for criminal trespass in downtown Galveston. Police say he was being taken to a mounted patrol unit staging area. Galveston Police Chief Vernon L. Hale III issued a statement that read in part, "First and foremost, I must apologize to the man arrested for this unnecessary embarrassment. Although this is a trained technique and best practice in some scenarios, I believe our officers showed poor judgment in this instance and could have waited for a transport unit at the location of the arrest. My officers did not have any malicious intent at the time of the arrest, but we have immediately changed the policy to prevent the use of this technique and will review all mounted training and procedures for more appropriate methods." Katie Johnston for CBS 11 News.